Love Island star Amber Davies stunned on stage at Proud Cabaret last night as her famous pals turned out to support her. The 25-year-old wore a see-through bodysuit as she belted out Jennifer Hudson's One Night Only to kickstart the Cabaret All Stars show at Proud Embankment. 5. Amber Davies looked incredible on stage last night. Credit, splash. 5. She got absolutely soaking wet as she performed It's Raining MenCredit, splash. In the crowd, Winter Love Island champions Paige, Turley and celebs Go Dating's Ryan Mark Parsons and Loose Women star Linda Robson all watched on. Introducing the cabaret on stage, Amber told how her beloved granddad passed away on the day of her opening night. She joked on stage, "I know, how inconsiderate." The Welsh beauty then dedicated the show to her Tate, and was presented with flowers and a bottle of champagne at the end of the show by club owner Alexander Proud, who said he was blown away by her performance. Backstage, Amber said, "Oh Alex, thank you so much. It's been a tough old week, but Proud Cabaret has been a dream. Can't believe I've officially opened. I flipping love my job." Amber made her debut at the spectacular cabaret on Wednesday night alongside acrobats, fire breathers and burlesque beauties. She will perform for the Cabaret All Stars show at Proud Embankment for the next 3 months, following in the footsteps of Rachel Stevens and Denise Van Outen. Loose Women host wrote on Instagram, "Wonderful evening at Proud Cabaret. Such a fun show. Amber was amazing." Amber ended the show in a plunging red dress as she danced under a shower of water to It's Raining Men. 5. Winter Love Island stars Paige, Turley and MenCredit, splash. 5. Loose Women's Linda Robson hailed Amber amazing credit, splash. 5. Ryan Mark Parsons danced in the crowd as he watched the cabaret.